What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and good morning from Dubai. So it's actually, hey Google, what's the time?
10:06.
10:06 in the morning. It's actually quite late, but it's because my excuse is that we went to bed quite well. At least I went to bed quite late last night. As you can see, I'm repping my Liverpool jersey because they played last night. So I was watching that game, and to be honest, I woke up this morning as the first shirt I grabbed again. So as you can see, we just woke up now. First thing I do, if you know me at all, is make coffee. But I'm gonna get changed quickly, and then I'm gonna tell you about the rest of my day. Okay, so recently I've been getting quite a few comments down below, even on Instagram actually, about people wanting to know more about my life, more about what I do. And even though I've made a video about a day in the life of a cabin crew, last week I got a comment from somebody saying he wanted to know a week in the life of a cabin crew. Now guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, my life is not that interesting, but I just felt that the concept or the idea of the video could be interesting, and that's why I'm gonna try to do it. So to continue with what I'm doing today, this is what the video is about, but what I'm doing today is Priya and I are going to meet Vishal, possibly Adam as well. She's off, which never happens, all four of us are off together. But we are going to go to work right now. Emirates every now and again throw up these workshops, and it's not compulsory to attend, but it just helps keep your knowledge up to date with regards to what's going on with the service. So we are going to go do that. I think it's how long is the session? 2-hour session. We're gonna do that. Tonight I'm supposed to be going to, if you're watching my roster reveal videos, tonight I'm supposed to be going to Amsterdam. But even though I actually had plans in Amsterdam, sorry Sunil, but they've taken me off the flight. I don't know why. I just saw my roster change to get a standby, and boom, yes. I think it actually worked out even better. I'm going to Dhaka instead in Bangladesh. So the reason why I'm so excited about Dhaka is because, well, obviously it's not obviously, but it's a much shorter flight than going to Amsterdam. But most importantly, the food is going to be amazing in Dhaka. So I'm looking forward to going to that. So because now my flight is tonight, I've got a plan, or how we think now. I've got to do whatever I have to do today, but I've got to plan it in a way where I still have to get home early from this workshop, even though it's only 2 hours, but can't do anything else because I've still got to go home and sleep and prepare myself for the flight tonight. So when I get home, obviously you'll see my routine and what I do and how I prepare myself for the flight. So I'll see you guys later. And we're packing the suitcase, guys. We just got home. It took a lot longer than I expected, but I quickly just finished packing my suitcase now. What's the time, my love? 6 o'clock. I've got to wake up in 3.5 hours. So I'm just going to quickly show you what I've got in my suitcase. This is pretty standard actually, but this is my pack of chargers. I've got some wet wipes, few t-shirts that I'll wear on the layover. Then I've got my pajamas hiding under there. Got my all-stars there, like my shoes. Got my white t-shirt that I wear under my work shirt. I've got my water bottles just in case. I've got my gym shorts, got my jeans, my belt, and obviously that's all my toiletries. So this is pretty much standard what I always take to or on a flight. And if I say again, your work shirt? Yeah, I'll add my work shirt just before, obviously, because I don't want to get too creased. But if, for example, I'm going to a winter destination, then obviously I'll throw something else in. And if I'm going to a summer destination, well, then I might consider throwing what in. I'll throw my swimming costume, I guess. I don't really know. We went for the workshop and then we went for lunch/dinner. But the thing is, because my flights, I have to wake, so my departure is 2 o'clock in the morning. I have to be at work by 11:30 at night, so 2.5 hours usually before my departure. But when I get ready, I can't wake up, get ready and go to work. I am the biggest, like I dawdle so much. I'll be doing a million things at one time. So I usually wake up like an hour and a half before I have to actually leave, because I know that I'll just be wasting time faffing around. So I'm actually gonna wake up at 9:30, which gives me about 3.5 hours of sleep, which is fine, but because it's a night flight, it might be a bit tough. So excuse me if I look like a mess when we get to Dhaka. But I'm gonna go get ready now. I'll change. I'm not gonna shower. I'll shower when I wake up. But I'm gonna change quickly and then head into bed, and I will see you when I'm getting ready to go to work. And we're ready. Time to head out. I will see you guys in Dhaka. Guys, we're in Dhaka and oh my god, first impressions. I just came back from breakfast and damn, it was so good. Oh my word. Guys, I was actually scared that the breakfast restaurant was going to close, so I ran quickly downstairs in my uniform, as you can see, to go and eat. I managed to snag a dosa, of course, when you're here, and I got some orange juice, I got some water, I got some coffee, of course, as well. And then I went for the eggs. I got some bacon, I got some sausages, and then I got some more eggs afterwards. And then after that, I finished it off with a muffin, chocolate croissant, and a cinnamon roll, like a hot cinnamon roll. It was so good. So I'm back in the room right now, and the plan is, or at least what we think the plan is going to be, we're supposed to meet downstairs in pretty much 1 hour. We're going to go to, you know, like Zara, Mango, Bershka, those type of stores. So the clothes are actually made here in Bangladesh. So we're going to go to one of these markets, one of these shopping malls where they have lots of different stores that sell these clothes. I don't know if it's rejects or if it's just extras. I really don't know what it is. I've just been told by the crew that it's super cheap and the stuff that goes to Zara comes here as well. So we're gonna go and look at that. I'm not looking for anything specific, but if I do find something, I do. If I don't, no big deal. It's better that this way, because at least I'm getting out of the room, because otherwise I know I would just stay in my room and just be ordering room service, sitting on my iPad the whole time. Anyway, I'm gonna quickly show you the room because the room is pimp. Guys, just take a look at this. You know, this is the one side of it. Couch to relax, bedside table, 2 beds, and then we have this office table here. The rest of the room, TV was mounted into the wall, and then this is the tea coffee station. Free stuff. Then we have the fridge and the safe over here. That's the front door. That is me. And we come around into the bathroom, which is just so fantastic. So this is a door to go into the walk-in bathtub and shower. How cool is this? Nice big mirror once again. And then it's the rest of the bathroom. That's the wash basin and the toilet. And then this, if you're wondering where the cupboard is, all the hanging space. As you can see, I've already got my shirt inside. So this is the room. How cool is this room? It's just, I mean, the crew in Dubai told me how nice the hotel was here in Dhaka. I don't want to say I don't want to believe them, but I was like, yeah, let me see it for myself, and I'm so impressed. So let's see what happens. I'm going to try and stay awake. I will see you hopefully in 1 hour. And we made it, guys. I managed to stay awake. So I got smart about it, actually Googled the place. So this artisan store is in Jamuna Mall, I don't know if I pronounced it correctly. So it's pretty much just like one of the biggest malls in Asia. But I figured, well, if it's just a mall, I'm not going to take my camera and vlog, because I don't think it's going to be vlog worthy. I mean, if I find something cool, I've got my cell phone with me, so I will take my camera out for that. But for the most part, I think I'll just see you guys back in the hotel, hopefully with some good shopping. Guys, so we're here at the mall now, and as you can see, it is super quiet. It's a Friday. This is what the mall looks like. I mean, it's a typical mall. Nothing fancy about it. Just a typical mall. They have a few, like, oh wait, it's like, I think here is the Body Shop, and there was a Levi's store as well. So they have a few like name brand stores, and then just your typical other stores as well. This, by the way, Artisan, is where I just shopped and I spent most of my money. But the funny thing is, I spent 270 dirham on like a ton of clothes. So when he told me the price, I was like, oh, that it? Like, and he gave me a discount, so it was a pretty good deal. It was just me and the purser that actually made it out here. I think all the other crew are sleeping, probably. I don't know, are my eyes red? Do I look that tired? I don't know, but I'm gonna probably head back to the hotel now. Not sure if I'm gonna eat, not sure if I'm gonna sleep, not sure what I'm gonna do. I'll have to plan it out when I get to the hotel, because obviously I wanna be able to sleep tonight for tomorrow's flight back to Dubai. But I will figure it out, I guess, once I get there. I'll see you guys later. Guys, so we're back in the room, and ever since I got back, been about 2 hours now, I've been lying on the bed and I'm feeling really sleepy, but I'm gonna try. I just don't know, like, I'm starving. And I don't know if I should order room service or go for the buffet, because when I'm looking at the room service menu, it's just like, oh my god, they'll have all this at the buffet, so I can just eat everything anyway, because there's so many things I want to eat. But I don't want to go for the buffet because I know there's going to be so much food and I'm just going to stuff myself. And I just really don't know what to do. So I'm just like, should I order room service? Should I go for the buffet? I really want to go for the buffet, but I really don't want to go to the buffet. There's only one way to figure this out. Okay, heads or tails? Let me just get something to flip here. Okay, so we're gonna use this. My room key. So the white side is menu. Dark side is go to the buffet. So let's see, right? Dark side is buffet. The white side is the menu. What did I say? White side is the menu. So white side. Oh man, damn it, I'm so disappointed. Okay, menu it is. Damn it. Well, that doesn't mean I don't have to order a lot. I can still order quite a lot. Okay, I'm gonna order some food now, guys. I will see you when the food gets here. And the food is here. So guys, I ordered chicken tikka masala. It comes with some rice and then pickle and papadum. I ordered a Coke as well. There's the salad on the side. And this is mutton seekh kebab, comes with some chutney, and then it also came with some naan. So I'm going to crush this. Oh, I can't wait. My mouth is actually salivating while talking to you guys. I'm gonna eat this. I'm actually not gonna, probably just gonna watch some YouTube, talk to my mum in a bit because I'm waiting for my sister to get home from work, and then I'll phone her and then sleep. And then tomorrow morning I'm not gonna vlog because you guys already saw what I ate for breakfast this morning, so I'm not gonna do the exact same thing. That's gonna be kind of boring. So I will see you guys probably back in Dubai. I'll see you guys later. Guys, we're back in Dubai now, and fast forward 2 days and we are still loving our days off. So for the last 2 days, what I've been doing is attending workshops. It's not like the first workshop that we went to at the beginning of the video. That was actually just related to the service. But the 2 workshops that I went to have been just for me and my progression in the company. And currently, Priya and I are cabin supervisors. Now we want to progress to the next level, which is the person role. So these workshops that we went to were just on leadership and how it's going to help us to go further in the company. And maybe one day, hopefully sooner rather than later, Emirates will phone me up and say, hey Kyle, why don't you come in for an interview? So hopefully these workshops will help us succeed in that. Enough of work. Time to go eat. Priya and I found this fantastic restaurant. It's actually a Durban guy from Durban that owns a restaurant. It is a South African Indian restaurant. It's called Durban Curry Cafe. It's in the marina. I phoned Vishal, asked him if he wanted to come with, but he's actually busy. So Siri is around, told him to come with us so he can get a good, nice experience of some Durban Indian food. I'll see you guys at Durban Curry Cafe. And we've made it, guys, and look at this food. I'm here with, oh, Sedi, say what's up.
Hey guys.
Pre, she's already dug in. Guys, we are here at Durban Curry Cafe, and as you can see, we've had a traditional order. We've got 3 lamb bunnies. So in Durban, bunny chows is what you need to get if you ever go and visit, because that is the best food you can get. We are here in the marina, so this is the view, by the way, from the outside. As you can see, it is beautiful. And this is what the restaurant looks inside. It's actually nobody in here. Super quiet. What's the time? It is, wait, I'll actually tell you guys. So it's 5:30.
Yeah.
So there's nobody here, but this is a cool feature that they got on the wall, and you can actually write some messages here. So this restaurant, the owner tells me, who's not here by the way, but he tells me that it's open for 3 months now, and people have come in here and just written all their nonsense. Great home away from home. What else is cool? Great food, taste of Durban in Dubai, I like that. And then I like this one, I'll bunny chow all night. So that's very fun. It's a nice restaurant. The price of these, if you come to Dubai, or if you come to Dubai and have it here, the price of these were 48 dirhams each. I think that's actually pretty reasonable. It's not too bad, especially how good it tastes. I know it tastes really good. So we're gonna dig in on this. I'll see you guys at home. Okay guys, so we're at home now, and I am so sleepy. Priya couldn't finish her food, So I ate hers, plus I ate mine and a little bit of Seti's as well, because I was so greedy, it tasted so good. But now, you know that feeling when you just eaten so much of food, you just want to sit on the couch and just have a nap? Oh my god, I can't, because it's 9:15 and my flight, I've got Rome tomorrow morning. So I have to wake up at like 5. So if I sleep, I can't have a nap. I've got to actually have my full night's sleep. So I'm going to try to push it till at least 10 o'clock, so another 45 minutes. I mean, by the time I pack my suitcase, have a shower and stuff, it'll be fine. With regards to my suitcase, the only change I'll make is I'm throwing in a winter jacket because it's going to be a little bit chilly in Rome. Hey Google, what's the temperature in Rome?
The current temperature in Rome is 18 degrees.
18 degrees. So yep, lucky I got, well, I'm going to take my winter jacket and I'll take a hat as well, keep myself nice and warm. But yeah, I'm actually not going to continue this vlog into, or this video into Rome, because otherwise the video is going to be way too long. So I'm going to actually end it here. I mean, for you guys it's like just like 2 days or something, but nothing interesting really came up. So this is what I've been showing you and what I usually do during the week. I think the only thing I didn't show you or even talk about was me doing all the cleaning, all the washing, all the cooking. Living by yourself or with Priya, but I mean she's not here half the time, but living by yourself or away from your parents who can't do that for you anymore. Your mother's not going to cook your food anymore or wash your clothes, so you've got to do that yourself. Keep the house neat and tidy. We don't have a helper here at home, so we do everything ourselves. So I just didn't show you that, but I don't think that was going to be interesting. But yeah, this is pretty much, guys, a week in my life as an Emirates cabin crew. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below if you thought, what your thoughts are on the video. If you want to see any more videos, any suggestions, throw it down below. I'll be happy to try to make those videos, and I will see you guys next week. Peace.